This one is for no plastic bags because at green school, 2 girls, they're doing a project about bye-bye plastic bags, and their goal is to have almost all of Bali with no plastic bags. And bamboo, this is bamboo because green camp and green school is made out of bamboo because it grows very fast and it's a renewable resource. And then this one is for fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, if there's too many fossil fuels, first it's a non-renewable resource and it can cause global warming. And when global warming is when the North Pole in Antarctica starts to melt, the ice starts to melt, and the earth starts to become flooded.